Hello and welcome back everyone. My name is Rucha and I'm a stylist from Pune. Today's video is going to be super fun because we are going to talk about what's in my styling kit. I know a lot of you must be thinking styling kit hota kya hai? Like I'm sure most of you must not be aware about it. So let me just tell you what is the styling kit and why you need one. So basically, styling kit is something which has all your styling essentials which you need to carry to dress effortlessly. So we all love dressing up, no matter if you are traveling or if you are attending a wedding or it's for a shoot or any other reason, even for work. This is going to work as your quick fix, and that is why it should be a must-have. So in short, what I'm going to tell you today in this video is going to help you to be your own stylist. So are you guys excited? Because I am. And let's see what's in this kit. Okay, so the very first thing what I carry is the scissors. Mostly I carry it on shoes. Most of the time if there's a label or there's something that I want to tear off or something that if I want to tear the fabric and drape it in a certain way, then definitely scissors help because just pulling it with your hands, it can damage the fabric or the product, any product. So it is anytime recommended that you scissors that in your hands. The two-way styling tape, especially for girls, because girls wear a lot of backless tops or plunging necklines. So at that time, this kind of style tape helps you, and because you can just take the tape like any other sticking tape, and you just have to stick it on your skin, and then the other portion of it sticks on your fabric. Okay, so if you are not comfortable and you're feeling that, okay, this top has a deep neck, which is really good, but then when I sit or when I bend, it is going to look a bit odd and it is going to make it a bit awkward, then this tape is going to help. It's a thread and a needle you need. So I don't need to tell you guys how thread and needle is a savior. And how it helps at the last minute quick fix when your blouse is not fitting you or there's an issue with the alteration or something, then you can fix it right at that moment with this thing. So you should have this in your styling kit. These are the clamps. You need clamps because a lot of the time those outfits which are not exactly the model size, we tend to carry one or two sizes bigger than the model size so that it fits her and there's no issue, and even if it's large then we can just put the clamp behind, so that time clamp is very important. So for shoes, don't forget your clamps. I always tend to carry extra accessories because you never know once your makeup is done, once your hair is done, what kind of accessories you want to go for. This is what I carry. Actually, I carry a bigger bag when I'm going for a shoot. It's not just what I carry for the shoot. And most of the time, I carry dry tissues. But of course, you need to carry wet or dry tissues, not just for yourself, but for the other people who are going to get dressed up and it is humid or too sunny or something that even if it's indoor and the model is like if she's sweating a lot, then definitely you need one extra pack of this. The next thing is the makeup, the basic makeup items that I do carry and which I love doing, and I can't go out without that. So it's one sunscreen that I use. Okay. So then there is this eyebrow pencil basically, and I have two shades, I have brown and black, and I then mix it up and then I put it on my eyebrows. Lip balm. So any brand or whatever you wear is fine. So this is the lip balm that I'm wearing currently. I keep experimenting with different lip balms. It's really important. It's safety pin and hair pin. Definitely this is something that you need even if you're wearing a sari or not even sari, even if you're wearing a dress, because if you see the dress that I'm wearing right now, I have one safety pin on my dress right now. So you can imagine how important it is. So no matter what you're wearing, always carry this thing. Now this is a dry fruit like jar that I carry. So most of the time what happens is when I'm shooting, I think this is really important that you should have something to eat, to munch on, because the shoot go on for like hours and hours. They take the whole day. Sometimes you don't even get time to have lunch. So you should have dry fruit, and I also have chocolate with me. I also always carry a chocolate with me. So this is what I like, but I'm not recommending it. You can have whatever you like. So I'm just saying that you should have anything to eat, to munch on, something that will give you energy to work throughout the day. Last but not the least, the water bottle. Of course, you should carry water with you whenever you're working, traveling, or going out of your house. You should have one for yourself. How much water do you consume throughout the day? So it depends on that. But any bottle is fine except for plastics. So this is my styling kit, and I hope you guys carry yours. So let me know in the comments if you would like to add anything else to the styling kit, or that if you think I missed on or something. Thank you for watching.